post of Group 2 entitled Google Maps can now help you park and other small business tech news this week. And here are the 5 things in technology that happened this past week and how they affect your business. The first one, a startup wants to get rid of unconscious bias in the office. Junko, an Atlanta-based startup, has launched new software that will help managers ensure greater inclusion within their teams. AI-powered software is able to plug into company's current platforms like Salesforce and Workday and then rifle through a given company's existing data in order to suggest real-time corrective action that can reduce discrimination at work. Why this is important for your business? The software will look at religion, culture, and gender and analyze tasks, wages, and results to gauge and coach you how to improve your employees' productivity and inclusion. It will even help with the hiring process. Big issues for business owners.
For letters A, the challenge or the problem is the unconscious bias in the office. For letter B, the technology used to address the challenge is the technology or the software that was used was Junko. Junko helps managers to ensure greater inclusions within their teams. Junko is also equipped with a rifle through a given company's existing data in order to suggest real-time corrective action that can reduce discrimination at work. For letter C, how the technology empowered the individuals involved. Junko empowered individuals to overcome the feeling of being excluded from their groups. Since the software will look at religion, culture, and gender and analyze tasks, wages, and results to gauge and coach you how to improve your employees' productivity, and of course, inclusion. It is a vital help for big businesses and especially employee hiring.
Retailers will soon have a new way to deliver their products. Store Power is a new app for grocery stores that helps you take orders for pickup or delivery, maps your store, automates multi-order picking, and gives you other tools. Credit cards can also be set up ahead of time so that shoppers can skip the checkout. Why is this important for your business? If you're a retailer, you're about to see a huge change in the way customers shop amidst competition from Amazon and other big brands that are investing heavily in technology to improve self-service checkout and deliveries that millennials and urban dwellers are demanding. You'll likely be investing in systems like Store Power soon. A. The challenge or the problem. Customer shopping amidst competition with enormous companies. B. The technology used to address the challenge. The app that was used was Store Power. Store Power is an app that helps business owners to take orders for pickup or delivery. It is also very convenient to customers since it does have a ahead of time setup for credit card so customers can pay online and skip the checkout line. C. How the technology empowered the individuals involved. It helps small-time businesses to somehow compete with big companies, and it makes shopping convenient for both customers and other retailers.
Retailers are getting more inventory help from other Intel. The chip makers say it has a new application called Responsive Retail Platform that will be able to track more store inventory and aid customers in real time. This create more common sets of sensor, software kits, and other assets to push the retail experience not just up. Intel say that it is planning to spend $100 million on retail industry in the next 5 years. It is important for your business because even Intel is jumping in with an enormous investment in store management technology to help merchants operate faster. Problem number 3. A. Much time being spent in checking inventories. B. The application is used called Responsive Retail Platform. The application tracks stores inventories and aid customer to aid real time. C. It helps store owner check inventories in technical way since it's computerized. It will also help the owners to save much time that are collected in inventory checking and let the time instead in serving much more customer.
4. Google Maps will soon help you park. Google will soon have a feature that uses easy, medium, and limited description to let users know the parking situation at their destination. While driving, a user can expand the turn-by-turn direction to see a more detailed explanation of the parking situation. Why this is important for your business? This is important because just like another free service from the Lord of Googles to help us save time and increase our productivity. The challenge or the problem. Much time being spent looking for open parking and actually parking that car. The next is the technology used to address the challenge. New feature for Google Maps. Google Maps will soon have an assistive parking feature that will help you and also where to park. It is also equipped with turn-by-turn direction to see a more detailed explanation for your specific situation. The last is how the technology empowered the individual involved. It will help its users, especially car owners, to park their cars easily, perfectly, and it will also help them save time and increase their productivity.
Number 5, TripAdvisor is adding enhanced listing option for hotel and restaurant. New features will include allowing hotels and restaurants to highlight a favorite review and best photos, as well as better analytics with extensive traveler engagement and competitor data. That's all. Problem number 5. For letter A is helping small-time tour business to be discovered. Letter B is a new feature and more detailed listings for tour business that would help owners to market their business in terms of favorite reviews and best photos, and also better analytics as well, with extensive traveler engagement and competitor data. It is also helpful for travelers in planning their trip ahead of time, according to their schedules and preferences in location and distancing terms. For letter C is the update help Bruce, the owner of the little tour business, to still market his tour business because of the great reviews given by the past travelers and sure help other owners too. That's all.